Good morning, it's Tuesday the 8th of December and this is your ETX Capital Daily Markets Bite. Overnight concerns over global growth gave way to yesterday's bearish trading session. Data showed China's exports grew at a slower than expected pace while imports also fell. This was coupled with the Japanese economy retracting more than expected in the third quarter. Also, further speculation that the global oil glut would continue into next year helped drive index futures down. Leading the decline, ExxonMobil lost 2.3% to 91.70, while Chevron dropped 3.7% to 106.80. Index futures, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.59% to 17,852.48. The S&P 500 fell 0.73% to 2060.31, and the Nasdaq lost about 0.84% to 4740.69. Looking at the FX markets, the euro held steady at about 123.13. Long-term investors are likely to remain risk-off as the ECB are poised to take a stance on an easing policy early next year. The dollar faded to 120.15 yen away from Monday's high of 121.86 as falling oil prices did dent investors' appetite for risk. Commodity currencies remained under pressure with the data coming out of China. The Australian dollar touching a 4-year low at one point and last trading at 82.41, down 0.7% on the day. Looking at commodities, the apparent lack of US inflationary pressure coupled with a strengthening US dollar did lead to gold being on the back foot at $1,200. Brent crude shed 70 cents to 65.49, along with NYMEX trading at 62.90. Of course, the expectation is that a deepening oil glut would keep prices under pressure into the new year. UK equities, RBS has launched the sale of its private bank Coutts International has invited at least 10 potential investors, trading off 0.85% this morning at 3.97. Tesco, the big one today, Tesco, the troubled British retailer, has warned on full-year profits again. The firm said profit for the financial year ending February 2015 will not exceed £1.4 billion. Now, that is trading at 162, off 13.5% at the moment and still declining. Also pulling other supermarkets down, Sainsbury's trading off about 4%, along with Morrison's. Data today, manufacturing production out of the UK at 9:30, expected around 0.2%. At 3 o'clock, we have the National Institute of Economic and Social Research GDP estimate for the UK. We also have the JOLTS job openings at 3 o'clock over in the States. That's the number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. Now, that's expected at 4.81 million. Today at the open, we have the DAX at 99.57, the FTSE at 67.27.50, and the CAC at 43.44.